Hindi grammar. Hi kids! We hear many sounds in our surroundings. Like the sparrow says, chew chew. The crow says, cow cow. The cat says, meow meow. The dog says, bhow bhow. But what do these sounds mean? It is simple. They use these sounds to interact with each other. Since animals and birds are not as developed as us human beings, they can only make limited sounds. In human beings like you and me, our vocal organs are very developed, so we can make many sounds. You must have seen a little baby who can only make sounds like ah, ee. But as the baby grows up, it can make many sounds. Many such sounds, when organized and given meaning, become language. There are hundreds of languages all over the world. Today, we are going to learn the Hindi language. But what do you mean by learning a language? This means we are going to express our thoughts and feelings. But tell me, how are we going to do this? Correct, by talking or writing. As I told you, there are many sounds in a language. Combining these sounds, we make a language. Hindi is written in Devanagari script just as English is written in the Roman script. The smallest sound in Hindi is called a Varn. We can either speak it or write it. When all the Varns are written together, it is called Varnmala. Just like we have flowers or different colored stones in a necklace, we have different Varns in a Varnamala. Come on, let us see the Hindi Varnamala. In the Hindi Varnamala, we have vowels called Swar and consonants called Vyanjan.
Swar A A E E U U E I O Au Ah Ru Vyanjan K Kh G Gh N Ch Ch j, j, nya, t, th, d, ढ, न, ड, ढ, त, थ, द, ध, न, प, फ, ब, भ, म, य, र, ल, व, श, श, स, ह,
We have 4 more Varna in Varnmala.
क्ष, त्र, ज्ञ, श्र,
Antonyms: Vilom Shabd, A word which has a meaning opposite to the other word is called an antonym. Let us learn some antonyms.
विलोम शब्द। उल्टा अर्थ देने वाले शब्द विपरीतार्थक या विलोम शब्द कहलाते हैं। मुश्किल, आसान। बदबू, खुशबू। पक्का, कच्चा। प्रसन्न, अप्रसन्न। अंधेरा, उजाला।
दोस्तों, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो इस वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन दबाना मत भूलना।